everybody. It's been a hot minute since we've recorded. Well, we recorded for Halloween Horror Nights and then we never uploaded it.
No.
My phone's at 20%. So today we both have the day off.
Yay.
Hallelujah. That's like a rare occurrence.
Yeah.
So we're taking the day to clean and organize.
This place is a mess.
Because this place is a mess. You can see our game room kind of back there, but it's also a mess. Oh my god, I stepped on the Swiffer. But we're trying to this is one of our closets that we have, and we're trying to organize it. We have 4 closets technically. There's 2 in the hallway. There's one, that door right there.
What is this?
There's another one in the bathroom, and then technically, oh yeah, that's for paint. I didn't know if you wanted to keep that.
What is it?
Oh, that's for the backsplash. The counter,
is?
yeah.
Oh.
So I kept it just in case, like,
I kept it. It's a refill, my mom said, but I guess we just keep it and we paint.
Yeah, it can probably go. Honestly, that could go in the shed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can put that in the shed.
It's so gross under here.
Yeah, I need to wipe that one down still.
I understand when you're old and it's hard to clean, but
so we're wiping down all of these shelves in the closet, and then we're putting this is gonna be like a shipping area, so the pumpkin won't be there, but this will be like, there's gonna be, you know, packing supplies, there's bubble wrap and like stuff like that.
Your mom,
yeah, like we're gonna sell stuff on eBay, and if we ever start our Patreon back up, if Dexter makes stickers and stuff like that.
Crafts.
And then and then we have that little light there that's really nice. You just turn on and off. So we have lots of space to work with.
It's a pretty big closet, like.
Yeah, no, it's a pretty big closet. Oh my god, don't break it, please.
Like if
You're scaring
this
me.
could hold me, I could get in there.
No, yeah, like you could literally stand in here if these shelves weren't here. So that's what we're doing today. We took out all the stuff that was in the closet so we can clean it out and organize it. And then we're gonna stream later, I think.
Oh, this is a cut.
I know. Maybe we should just cut the rest of this.
And just use it as a box?
And then use it as, yeah, like a container in there. I don't know. That's probably what we could do. Welcome to our messy game room. It literally looks like a hoarder room. Well, it's a mess right now for 2 reasons. The first is we're still in the process of moving, and unpacking everything. The second reason is because Christmas just happened and we got some more things. So yeah, but we're doing our best to organize everything and, you know, make things look nice. And we're wanting to probably put this futon out on our porch, and get something that's a little bit smaller, or I don't know, maybe not get anything at all, to be honest, and we can just use the gaming chairs to play games. We could get like a footrest thing to put our feet up.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Because this futon is just so big. I mean, it's not awful, but it's pretty big for this room. It takes up a lot of space.
It's a lot of plushies though.
So, I mean, the one good thing about it is that it holds a lot of the plushies, but I think what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to sell some plushies and sell stuff that we don't want. But yeah, we're just trying to clean up and organize, and we're gonna put stuff under our bed too, because there's lots of empty space under the bed. It's a lot.
Yes, it is.
But we're trying to tackle it, so yeah. So we kind of migrated from the closet to this because we're trying to figure out what we want to put in the closet. But to do that, we have to organize everything first in their respective bins. So we have a bin for Pokemon toys. Like, these are all finger puppets, and then the log ones. This is miscellaneous Nintendo like stickers and pre-order bonuses and stuff like that. This is miscellaneous Pokemon, like Pokemon codes, like download codes, pre-order bonuses, the TCG coins, things like that. So we're trying to clean up this whole area and organize better. And then I think back where Dexter's sitting, we're gonna put 2 more bookshelves, or at least one. And then we're gonna kind of spread everything out and make it look really nice. But yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. It's feeling really nice to organize and clean and get rid of clutter and things like that. And we're throwing things away, and yeah, it's nice. So the game room looked way messier than it did earlier. It actually looks way cleaner. This whole area was filled with stuff. So it's looking a lot better. It's almost there. It's getting there, but it's a lot cleaner. And let me show you. We've been putting stuff, the light is off. We've been putting stuff under the bed because there's so much empty space. So why not put stuff under the bed so we can, save some room. There's the mattress. But yeah, so it's looking a lot better already. I'm really happy. Reducing clutter is always good for, healthy state of mind, Can you hear that? That's the shower. It always will randomly drip. It is the end of the day now. Dexter is still in the game room. He's ordering some ordering some stuff off Amazon. We just finished streaming, and now I'm eating a burrito. We're playing Halo 2. Yeah, I got pretty far in it. So I think next stream, or whenever we stream Halo again, I'll probably end up beating it. I think I only have 4 more missions. But today was very productive. We got so much done. So much organized and cleaned. It just feels nice. It just feels really nice. Hi.
Hi. Made me a burrito?
I made burrito. You might need to heat it up though.
That's okay. I have a lot of stuff in the cart, a lot of adult things.
I love when you go
Not
adult
bad,
things.
Not bad. I mean,
You have
adult things.
some bad things in the cart.
Not bad though. Oh my goodness.
That's so funny. Well, I think we'll end the vlog there. Thank you for watching. If you're not already following our Twitch, go over to twitch.tv/superniftygames. We stream every once in a while on there. We try to stream a few times a week. Now that stuff's not as busy, the holidays are ending and stuff, so we're gonna be streaming more. Go follow us on there. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Those will probably be linked below. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye. Bye.